Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick teaser of my print farm here. As you can see, I have several printers. I have the SV08, the Cobra S1, and three of my six P1Ss here, alongside lots and lots of filament. So, the first thing I want to say is if you guys have any comparisons you would like for me to make from like the S1, SV08, the P1S. I have several A1s, and obviously, if you guys watch me some of my previous videos, I have the Centauri Carbons, and I have two Cutie plus fours, and I just had about it's been like 3 weeks. I have the Cobra Max, the Cobra 3 Max, and I just got in the Cobra 3 version 2. Uh, so yeah, a lot of Anycubic, a good portion of Sovos. I have a lot of their bed slingers, and again, of course, a lot of the Bamboo Labs. So if you want me to compare anything, you have any print files you would like me to compare among them, let me know. Um, but yeah, this is my print farm in my home, and I print a lot of functional parts. You can see right there, that's not actually not a functional part. I do print some things for myself, but 80% of the things that I print are all functional parts for customers, businesses, and stuff like that. Um, so I want to talk about an issue that I just got. I've been trying to find some new filament, some new brands. So I decided to go with, I guess, a YouTube favorite, the VoxelPLA. So I ordered 5 spools of their of Voxel's PLA Plus wood color. I have some projects coming up that I want to utilize, and I have the PLA Plus from Elegoo. You can see I have a lot of Elegoo here. And anyway, I ordered some from Voxel. I on their page they say that there's a 3 to 5 days to ship out their products. That's fine, all well and good. Okay, I can wait that. Um, my issue is I ordered on a June 23rd and nothing. Okay, for the full week, nothing. That's fine. On Monday, this past Monday, still nothing. So I shoot them an email saying, "Hey, what's going on?" I get an email back saying, "Yeah, it's supposed to be 3 to 5. There's the 3 to 5 business days." But the biggest issue is, in between all of that time, I'm getting tons and tons of emails from them saying all the stuff is in stock, all the filaments in stock, this is in stock. You go to their website, everything is supposedly shipped the same day, but there's supposed to be a lead time of 3 to 5 days. So now the biggest issue is they just shipped it today. Today is Wednesday, so it's actually more than 3 to 5 business days. Um, it's more like nearly 8 business days for them to ship anything out. So I'm just saying all of this just to be careful if you order from them. Um, you may want to give them, or if you buy in bulk. I didn't buy in bulk. I only bought 5 spools of the word their filament. Um, but if you're gonna order, make sure you kind of expect at least 2 weeks. Now, I counter all of this with the notion that I can order something from Polymaker. I can order something from Elegoo, and generally their stuff is shipped in within a day or two. Shipping time varies. Some of them are coming from California, others are in the Northeast where I'm at. Times vary, but I'm talking about the actual time to ship. So just be careful. Um, Maybe I'll stick with Elegoo, but yeah, just if you're gonna buy from VoxelPLA, just know that it might take much longer than what their website is stating, even though you might get emails saying all their stuff is in stock. Apparently, it's not. I want to end this video with some more information about the Centauri Carbons that I have. Um, as I stated in my older videos, I am working on a review for those, and I'm doing comparisons between some of my printers around the same price, or like $400-500. So like the Cobra S1, I might even put in the Cobra 3 version 2 that I got, a bed slinger, see how that compares. But the Centauri Carbons, after all the issues I've had with them, they are up and running since I replaced the tool heads sent by Elegoo. Um, they're running fine. They are PLA masters. Um, I say all that I still don't trust them to a certain extent. If you understand what I'm saying, reliability and constant quality is one of the things. Now that's saying I have these big printers here. The SV08s took a lot of time for me to tune, especially with how the beds are. My beds aren't as bad as some of the other people that have bought these printers, but the Centauri Carbons tend to me, it's in the back of my head that there's that worry that I got a brand new machine or two brand new machines that had issues with the extruder. And then, and again, brand new machines, and problems exist, but for two printers, whether you want to believe that I don't know what I'm doing or not, that's up to you that's your opinion, but for two printers, and then again, both of them got fixed, replaced the entire tool head on both, they're now working, but now you have that back in your head going, you spent $350, whatever, and the warranty is only 3 months. Can you count on these for a farm? And I don't think so. I spent one of the printers has about 250, the other one has about 180 hours. We'll see. I'm trying to get both to around 250, 300 hours of print time, and then I will provide a full video, and I'm going to show again some comparisons between these, the S1, and a couple other printers, and then my favorite being the QD Plus 4. I love those printers even after having some issues with those in terms of shipping damage. Not the fault of QD, but they just print amazing. So that is the benchmark. Yes, $300 printer, $350 printer versus a printer that's around 800. Yeah, not totally fair, but you're getting a lot of printer with that, with the QD Plus 4 for the price. And but I will say this, leave you with this in terms of the Centauri Carbon. They're good printers. Just got to be careful, because even right now in some of my comment sections, I'm getting people saying that they have the same problems as I had, and these printers are the newer versions that just came to them within the last couple weeks. So that just tells me that there might be an extruder issue, that just maybe it's just a bad design. I don't know. I'm going to further go into that with some of the people that have commented on my videos, and we'll go deeper into that later on. But I said, the review for the Centauri Carbons coming. I might also do a short video for the Cobra S1. It's a decent little printer. Again, nothing crazy. I haven't had any big issues. I know some people complain about the bed size on that. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. If you guys have anything you want me to print from the SV08s, the Cobra S1, my P1P, the P1S, even the A1s that I have compared to the Centauri Carbons, the Plus 4s, the Cobra 3 Max, and or the Cobra 3 version 2, let me know and I will print them out for you. And this again, this is a teaser. I'm going to show you more of my farm soon. Have a good one, guys.